Hi everyone. Looking to short a stock or use leverage on eToro but the options aren't showing up? It's all about your account settings. Today, I'm showing you the 2026 way to navigate your Settings tab to unlock CFD trading and set up your preferences. Let's head into the dashboard. Step 1. Open your account settings. Start by clicking the Settings gear icon in the left-hand menu. If you're on the mobile app, tap the three lines at the top and select Settings from there. This is where you control everything from your security to your trading experience. Now, click on Account and look for the Experience and Objectives questionnaire. In 2026, regulators require eToro to restrict CFDs if your profile says you have low experience. If you've learned the ropes since you joined, click Edit and update your answers to reflect your current knowledge of leverage and margin. This is the secret to enabling CFD access. While you're in the settings, go to the Trading tab. I highly recommend turning on one-click trading. This allows you to set default CFD parameters, like your preferred leverage, X2 or X5, and your mandatory stop loss, so you can open high-speed positions without a confirmation screen every time. Once you've updated your profile, check back in a few minutes. If you've met the knowledge requirements, you'll now see the Sell and Leverage options when you open any trade window. If it's still not there, remember that some regions, like the US for stocks, have strict laws against CFD trading, so double-check your local regulations in the Account Status section. Step 5. Test in the virtual portfolio. Before you go live with your new settings, switch to your virtual portfolio under your username. This lets you practice with $100,000 in fake money to make sure you're comfortable with how leverage and overnight fees work before risking your real capital. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.